Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to revise a video on your Android device. So if you want to revise any video from your Android device, you can enjoy the full video. So let's start it. First of all, suppose in your Android device you want to save this video first, and after saving this video, suppose you want to revise this video, so you need to search on your Google Chrome browser revise a video. If you search revise a video, then in the first option will come online reverse video tool ezgif.com. so after going here, you will get the option to revise your video. So from here you have to click on the choose file option, then allow, then you will get your video location option. From here, suppose I just select this video which I want to revise, then I just click on the upload video. Okay, after completing the upload, I have to revise the video by clicking the revise video option. So I'm clicking the revise video, then video will start revising. After completing the revising of video, you will get the revised video. From here, if you click on the save option, then this revised video will save to your device. So in this way you can revise a video on your Android phone. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.